Here we have a Burley remote control. This will be suitable for a number of their fires: a 512, 513, 514, a 515, 516, 517, 519, 520, 570R and a 590R. So this will work with a number of the fires made by Burley. Something very interesting that you should be aware of is if you have a Burley remote that looks very much like this, but when you look at it closely, the logo as shown here is at an angle, but your logo is rather in a straight line, then it's not going to work for you. Likewise, if you've got a Burley remote that rather than being in a metal finish like this, and yours is actually a black plastic remote, then although they look very similar, they're not going to work. What you will need, if your logo is not at an angle like this one, or your remote is like this but in plastic, you're going to need a different remote, like this one. So if we can help you with either the silver remote here or the black plastic one, you can find these are in stock to buy now by clicking on the link. Thank you.